YouTube. In this video, we're gonna add some gold tape to the underside of the gas tank. Just try to keep that fuel a little cooler than it's supposed to be. Let me show you what I mean. Just by looking at this, you can tell I had it for a while, but I had some gold tape from my ZX10R, and this is not that much gold tape that's left, but I'm gonna use as much of this gold tape as I can, and I'm gonna put it on the underside of the gas tank. And I ordered another set or another bundle of some gold tape that I'm gonna wrap the airbox with. So yeah, man, I think this is a pretty good idea. It reflects up to this Fahrenheit. 80% of the heat is reflected. Colder gas is always better, less evaporation. The mods is just gonna keep coming. So I'm gonna do a time lapse on this whole process just so you guys can see me doing it. But just enjoy this little quick video. Alright guys, finally finished. It's another day, and I had completely finished the gold wrap on the airbox, bottom and top. I also did the bottom of the gas tank. So everything is pretty much taped up. The reason why that's not taped up is because it's foam. I'm not taping up the foam. But I have the entire airbox taped up and the bottom of the gas tank. So the air should be a little bit cooler and the fuel should remain a little bit cooler from that hot motor, which is right underneath. So I'm gonna put everything back together. I wanna thank you guys for watching this ZX10R gold tape wrap on the bike, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.